Hey, what's up? My name is Josh. My wife and I, we love doing this side hustle for a full-time income. Yes, we put out YouTube content, but no, all of our money comes from selling things for profit online. And in this episode, you're going to see how I got in contact with someone cleaning out, sadly, a family member's house that passed away. And I said, we go after this, I'll pay you some money for collectibles, clothing, things like that. And she said, yes, we are at the final days of getting rid of all this stuff. The dumpster will be here this weekend. And I said, no, let's not let this go to waste. She said, come, grab what you want, make some purchases. And then we worked out even something to help out this stuff not going to a landfill. What is it?
Socket tuck or something? I have no idea.
It's cool if it had a patch or something. If you need me to, I can. Here.
That's a lot of.
Look at the Goofy. It's a 2XL.
Oh, that's cool. Do you look underneath the bed?
How about this?
Oh yeah.
It's got a little stain.
That's pretty cool. That's what I'm trying to make a path to.
Oh, there's a basic cigarette strip. But it's kind of roached. Ooh, what's this? It's got a little paint on it. What is this? As I said, it was just a lot of denim on top. I tried to. I was like, these look like the shirts I got put away a long time ago.
Didn't fit anymore. Colin, can you please?
Y'all are welcome to snap some baskets up if you want.
Oh.
Or whatever. Otherwise, they just go in the film.
Another sweatshirt.
World Gym.
We'll try it. Seems like all of our gym shirts have been, you know, pretty quickly gone. Yeah. The fox. What?
Yeah. Baby.
Oh, the wings are broken. It's Remington. Okay.
There's some, I threw some out in the hallway. There's like an army jacket.
Oh yeah, yeah. She just told me about those.
Yep.
Yeah, that jacket's fine. You know me and a mystery tote in the bottom of the. Looks like more stuff.
First aid at first,
While I'm gone, you're in charge.
That was an antenna.
That was a Nintendo.
An antenna.
Oh, antenna. I thought he said a Nintendo. 2 minutes. PS2. So what were you thinking on all the video game stuff?
I don't really know, to be honest.
Because then we got one little pile of clothes back there. Their availability is tomorrow. So I can call this lady at the thrift store. It'll help y'all not have to throw a bunch away.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's just a pile of clothes we pulled out. And then,
I mean, whatever you think is fair, honestly. I don't know if this will help you get rid of the PlayStation 2 any easier. I was surprised you still had the box though. I mean, whatever, honestly, because otherwise I was just going to let it sit on eBay until people pick it apart, so.
I don't know, yeah, I don't know how many clothes we got back there.
The other odd commodity would be this guy.
Oh, the old bag phone.
You can't do much with it, but
the bag
it's neat to look at, you know?
The relic.
Ready?
I thought about just putting it in the car like one day and then picking it up in the kids'
You
in the car and
should.
they'd be like, what is
You
she
should.
doing?
What do you think? $100?
Yeah.
That work? This? And that's what I said. I'll probably go get the IKEA bag so I don't have to use up their bag
Okay, that's right. We do.
out of the van. But yeah.
Okay.
Cause I'm just like, but yeah, and then I'll coordinate with you tomorrow.
Okay.
Like I said, if it works out.
Yeah.
Ready?
She's an energetic lady.
Thank you.
So what a great deal we made on all of those purchases. I know you haven't seen them all. Don't worry. I'm going to show you how much of this stuff we've already sold and what it's listing for. And I'm very thankful because I think they may have subscribed to the channel for the deal. She was even going to try to sell some of that stuff on eBay, but that made it worth it. And just to update you, I did schedule another time to get back out there, and we were able to donate about 9 or 10 large construction bags of clothing. But enjoy this little clip montage that I put together for you to show you that I genuinely believe this was well worth it. It was more than I expected. I'm very thankful for the deal. And these are some things that you can go find and flip online for a profit. Okay, so that turned out to be really amazing. We have some great stuff listed, already sold a lot of stuff, but when I went back the second day to do all the donations and stuff, we donated like 9 or 10 bags, which was great. But she gave me a bag of gaming controllers, which was cool. Helps with some of those sets. But what about that basket of denim jeans?
Yeah, a lot of jeans came home and we worked on listing them, sold one pair for full price, got an offer for 2 other pairs, and they sent a message, hey, will you mind shipping? Absolutely, no problem. You're buying 3 pairs of jeans? That's amazing. But I still had 3 pairs that I had not listed yet that were similar sizes. So I was like, hey, are you interested in buying more? Like, this is a lot of jeans to buy at one time. They're like, yes, any vintage Levi that you have, send them my way. So threw up a quick listing for the last 3 pair that we had.
Yeah.
And they bought them instantly. So they bought 6 pair of jeans all in for $118 plus shipping.
So not bad. These were Levi's orange tab. That was in the message. They were like,
Yeah.
I am into vintage Levi's.
Vintage Levi's. Didn't matter condition because these are all distressed, like work condition
Yes,
jeans.
and they wanted to keep that relationship with us. They said, if you find more, please
Let me know.
contact me. So all in all, a really good, just, hey, reaching out, somebody, getting rid of stuff. We saved it all from the dumpster and we turned it into great profit. Subscribe. If that doesn't give you a reason to subscribe, we are full-time resellers trying to teach you, whether you're doing this part-time, side hustle, full-time, whatever your goals and aspirations are, that's what we're here to show you. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.